There are animals living on our planet that appear ordinary, harmless, even cute, but behind their innocent eyes hides something far more powerful and far more dangerous than anything you've ever imagined.
Today, you will discover 7 animals that look normal on the outside, but possess abilities so shocking that scientists refuse to believe them at first. Welcome to TailTalk. And before we begin, I want you to watch this video till the very end, because animal number 1 has an ability so unbelievable, it rewrites everything we thought we knew about nature. Let's begin.
Number 7. A bird so talented it can mimic almost anything it hears. You might think birds only copy simple whistles, but the lyrebird takes mimicry to a frightening new level. It copies chainsaws, camera shutters, car alarms, dogs barking, even human voices. But what makes this ability terrifying is how perfectly it copies the sounds. So perfectly that in the forests of Australia, people have mistaken the lyrebird's voice for an actual emergency. One hiker heard a child crying for help, only to discover that it was the bird mocking the sound. An animal that can imitate anything, including you.
Number 6 looks small, almost cute, but it carries enough power to end 10 human lives without even biting. The golden poison dart frog holds the title of the most toxic creature on land. Its skin carries a chemical so deadly that just touching it is a mistake you can never correct. Indigenous tribes once used this frog's toxins to tip their blow darts. One tiny drop brought down a full-grown animal instantly. And the most shocking part? This frog doesn't create the toxin itself. It steals it from the insects it eats, a silent collector of death. Number 5. A creature that can become anything it wants in less than a second. The mimic octopus doesn't just hide, it transforms. It stretches its body, changes its color, and imitates other animals. Lionfish, sea snakes, jellyfish, it becomes whatever it needs to survive. One diver reported seeing what looked like a harmless fish until it suddenly shifted, expanded, darkened, and transformed into a deadly sea snake. In the ocean, nothing is what it seems. Number 4 may look like a tiny desert reptile, but when threatened, it performs one of the strangest defense mechanisms ever discovered. It shoots blood from its eyes. Not just a few drops, but a high-pressure stream aimed directly at its enemy. Scientists believe the blood tastes bitter and confuses predators. Coyotes that attack this lizard often run away in seconds, their mouths filled with the metallic flavor of the lizard's blood. In the fight for life, even blood becomes a weapon. Number 3. An animal that breaks the rules of life itself. The immortal jellyfish. When injured, stressed, or aging, it performs a miracle no other creature can. It reverses its own aging. It turns its cells back to their earliest stage and begins life again. In human terms, it's like an old man transforming back into a baby and starting over. This creature doesn't fear death because for it, death is optional. Number 2 hides inside colorful reefs, but its beauty is only a mask. The mantis shrimp has the fastest punch in the entire animal kingdom. When it strikes, its claw moves so fast that it creates a burst of light and a tiny explosion of heat, hotter than the surface of the sun. Glass aquariums have been shattered by its punch. Crabs break, shells crack. Its victims don't stand a chance. A creature with a fist stronger than a bullet.
Number 1. The most mysterious creature on this list. The Harlequin toad. This small, colorful toad has an ability that has left researchers speechless. It senses danger before it happens. Earthquakes, volcanic activity, landslides. Villagers in South America noticed the toads fleeing hours before disasters struck. When scientists monitored them, they discovered the impossible. These toads reacted to seismic vibrations so faint that human machines couldn't detect them. These animals don't predict the future, but they sense events before the Earth itself reveals them. In a world full of uncertainty, this creature is nature's living warning system.
These 7 creatures remind us that the animal kingdom is filled with secrets we still don't understand. Some hide power, some hide danger, some hide abilities beyond our imagination. If you want more mysteries of the natural world, subscribe to TailTalk and join us on this journey. Until next time, remember, not everything in nature is what it appears to be.